How to fix yarn install error in Windows 11. Running scripts are disabled on the system, so what we going to do? Open Windows PowerShell. Copy and paste this commands step by step to install Yarn Package Manager correctly. I will put it in the description or pin in first comment of the video. After a successful installation of Yarn, make sure to disable it again because of security reasons, and make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more tech videos.